One thing about me, I have fully mastered my everyday makeup look. This look literally takes me 20 minutes. Let me show you. I always get asked what is on my lips in every video. This is the Laneige Gummy Bear Lip Balm. Since I first discovered this Tatcha Dewy Milk Moisturizer, I have literally not stopped using it. It gives you the most beautiful, hydrated, glass skin. And then this Haru Haru Wonder SPF pairs really well with that moisturizer and all of my makeup. Going back to the OG Professional, adding this a little bit to where my pores are noticeable. I always wait a few minutes for my skin prep to really dry and sink into the skin. While I wait, I'm just going to fill in my brows lightly with the Kosas Micro Brow Pencil. Lock those in with the Rare Beauty Brow Gel. This is the Chantecaille Gel Foundation, and I'm so hooked. I just discovered this. This stuff is pricey, but I'm literally obsessed with it. Even though this is a foundation, the finish of it and the consistency honestly kind of reminds me of more of a skin tint, which I absolutely love. I gravitate towards products like this all the time now. Are you guys so annoyed with me yet over how much I use this Mario product? I too am annoyed that I haven't found something that I like more yet. This is the best everyday bronzer. It just looks so natural, and in person it just looks like you're naturally bronzed. I love my nose contour, kind of messy just so it really looks like I'm sun-kissed. I have a blush combo that I've been doing. It starts with Coquette. This is from Westman Atelier. Really pretty baby pink, and I'm gonna drag this up under my eye, having some on the nose. Next, just a little bit of Rare Beauty Happy. It's more of a brighter pink, and I'm gonna focus this color more high up on the cheek right here. This is very pigmented, so I find it really important to coat the brush before I go on the skin. For concealer, I have been going back to my roots and using my Tarte Shape Tape again. I have a new brightening under eye powder that I've been using, and this concealer just pairs so perfectly with it. I have to show you. Going back in with my blush brush, and I'm just blending around the edges. They're the new under eye brightening powders from Laura Mercier. Love this so much. This is the peach shade. This blurs the under eye so much. Like, you can just already see how smooth that made my under eye. I'm sorry, but tell me that is not unreal. That everything else, this is the new One Size pressed powder. I am a firm believer that if you want your makeup to last, you are going to have to use powder. But that doesn't mean that our skin won't look glowy at the end. This is the One Size Powder Melt Setting Spray. I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna go in with my liquid highlight. This is from Rare Beauty. It's more of like a bronzy shade. It makes me look more sun-kissed because I do liquid highlight after powder. Love this Rare Beauty one because it doesn't lift the makeup that I have already on. Everyday eye makeup for me is literally just powder bronzer. Bronzer is from Givenchy, and I really just sweep this all over the lid. I'm not perfect with it. I'll take that underneath the lash line. I do not do this every day, but since my baby is still napping, I'm just gonna add a little baby shadowed wing with a dark brown eyeshadow. Mascara, I'm using the Telescopic from L'Oreal. I rediscovered how much I love this because it was featured in my top selling drugstore makeup video. Like, look at that difference. I really hate to tell you guys, but I am that person who willingly chooses to wear lip liner every day. I feel weird without having contoured lips. I love Endless Cacao from Makeup Forever because it really just gives you like a shadowed contour. For day-to-day makeup, I will always just wear like a lip balm or lip oil, something that's really hydrating. I'm just gonna use what I used in the beginning of the video. This is the Laneige. All right, you guys, here is the final look. I'll definitely make sure that I have this look linked for you guys. Let me know what you think.